Hey, e to the x times the square root of 1 minus e to the x dx. There we are. Again, you got some multiplication going on, so you know this is not just a rule that you're supposed to have memorized, okay, which means it's going to be a UDU for us in our Calc 1 class. And if you see a square root and there's no denominator, there's no like weird exponents or anything, then what's inside the square root probably is going to be the u. Okay? So we're going to let u be 1 minus e to the x, which means du is going to be negative e to the x dx. And you can kind of think of this like ahead of time. You can see if I derive the inside, am I going to get what's outside the square root? You are. Okay, you just got to put a negative on it. So we need this to be negative e to the x, which means I need to put a negative 1 out front. And this whole thing becomes negative 1 times the integral of the square root of u du. Okay with that? And that's just power rule. You get negative 1. U to the 3 halves, you're going to multiply that by 2/3. Then you're going to multiply, that's c. So you get negative 2/3 u, which is 1 minus e to the x, to the 3 halves plus c. Isn't this fun? Oh, resounding yes.